Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're exploring how everyday beach sand transforms into your computer's brain.
Okay, let's dive into this. Building a sturdy house means turning simple mud into solid, reliable bricks, right?
Well, building our digital world requires taking ordinary sand and forging it into incredibly complex silicon chips. Step 1 is extracting silica from that sand. It's kind of like pressing sugarcane to get fresh juice. Next up, purification. We blast that silica in an extreme furnace, just like melting down raw gold.
So the crucial point is, to work, this silicon must reach 99.999999999% purity.
How? Through intense, repeated filtering stages. Think of it like running tap water through a household RO filter. And this brilliantly illustrates the next step. Melted silicon crystallizes, growing exactly like sugar on a lollipop stick. That rough silicon is then ground down into a perfect cylinder, basically like machine shaping a wooden log.
Then, we take that giant, high-tech silicon rod and slice it ultra-thin, literally just like slicing bread. Those slices are relentlessly polished down to a flawless mirror finish, much like buffing a raw floor.
Even microscopic dust is a total disaster here. They're scrubbed clean, like washing a car before painting it.
Finally, rigorous inspection for structural defects. It's like nervously double-checking your answers before handing in an exam.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the memory trick. Sand, silicon, ingot, slice, polish, clean, wafer.
This flawless wafer is basically a blank canvas, perfectly ready for advanced fabrication to become a microchip. If ordinary sand can become your phone's brain, what other absolute miracles are hiding in the dirt?